was watering my plants and I just discovered my white birds of paradise, Jimmy Buffett, named after the famous singer that passed, God rest his soul, Jimmy Buffett, is coming out of his pot, so we have to do an emergency replant for a new pot for Mr. Jimmy Buffett plant. So, the distinctive bird of paradise plant is closely related to the banana plant. Its origins are from Africa. She thrives best in amongst 50 degrees humidity and around 68 to 75 degrees. She really thrives on about 6 to 8 hours of filtered sunlight. If that's not possible, an LED grow light is available in your neighborhood, and SANSI is the one we prefer to use. Okay, so the birds of paradise is named because its flowers, its exotic flowers, reminds everyone of the exotic bird, the bird of paradise, and that's how it got its name. The leaves grow from 12 to 18 inches, and it's not likely to bloom indoors, but if you have a green thumb and use the right soil, you might get lucky, and it might give you one of the rare indoor blooms. Softly pull it out. Softly. Okay, here's our roots right here. Break up our bundle a little bit. These are a root-bound plant. They like to be root-bound, so please do not break it up too much and be gentle. Let the emergency potomectomy begin. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our soil mix here. We're going to add just a handful, or a little bit more than a handful. And over here, this main root that you're seeing right here, we'll break up just a touch, but not too much, because we still want a root bound. And gentle, gentle. Ooh! So I'm going to recycle a little bit of soil here, just a touch. And this also is a special soil mix that the producer has come up with from watching many plant experts. The soil mix is 50% Fox Farms Ocean Forest, 25% perlite, and 25% horticultural charcoal. So we're going to top this off right now. Sorry about the mess, gang. I'm new to the country. Okay, so this is looking good. Okay. So, now that we got Mr. Jimmy Buffett plant in a new home, a new pot, which is about 2 inches bigger than his old pot, we are going to give Mr. Jimmy Buffett a bath. Follow me. Okay. So we have it on gentle showers. We're going to nicely, boom. Little bit of water just so it runs through at the bottom. I'd love to show you that on the camera, but we have it running through. We don't want to overwater Mr. Buffett because root-bound plants are more susceptible to root rot. So you don't want to overwater at first, nor at any time. So casual sprinkle. So after I let you go, we are going to let him sit here for about 2 hours. let him dry before we put him back in his stand. And normally, I would say you could put some nutrients in here. May or may not, but we don't have to. That's why we use the ocean forest soil, because it contains all those nutrients. So don't even think about nutrients for 30 days. Just go water to see how it takes and how the roots accept the new soil. And in about a week, stick your finger in about 2 inches. And if he's dry, he'll need to be watered. And or there's this moisture meter. All you gotta do, turn it on, stick it in, or stick it in, leave it in, and it'll tell you when Mr. Jimmy Buffett needs to be watered again. So, Thomas Hopper, if you like me, subscribe to me. Talk to me. If I screwed something up that you're not happy with, let me know about it. But if you need to do a emergency replantation surgery, good luck, my friend. Have a good night.